Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are solving some questions of exercise 11A. As you can see on the display, this is question number 2. For each of the following, the given angle is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. So what is given to us? The base angle of an isosceles triangle, and find the third angle of the triangle. So I have solved here C part for you guys and D also. And so let's start the C part. Now, as you know, this is a triangle and this is base side. Okay. So a given angle is of base angle which is 15. So I have written here A vertices angle 15 degree. As you can see, this line and this line, which means this side is equal to this side because this is an isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal, which means these A and B, these two angles are equal as well because side opposite is the angle which is equal. If this side is equal to this side and this angle is 15, that means this angle is also 15. Okay. So we have two angles, one is 15, second is 15. We have to find the third angle which is C. Now I have written here A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. This is the property of a triangle, that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180. Now I have written the value of A 15 here. Then B is also 15, as I told you. This is the similar angle, as this is because these two sides are equal. So the opposite angle of the sides are also equal. Now 15 plus 15 is 30. Now this 30 is in the addition with this C. दोनों प्लस में है 30 और C. तो 30 जब वहां पे जाएगा 180 के पास, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. ये आप पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ 180 माइनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 150 डिग्री. तो C एंगल हमारे पास क्या आ गया, 150 आ गया. इसी तरह से हम लोग D को देख लेते हैं. D के अंदर आप देख लीजिए हमें क्या गिवन है, 79 डिग्री एंगल गिवन है. तो 79 डिग्री हमें एक एंगल गिवन है ए का बेस एंगल, तो जाहिर है बी का भी 79 हो जाएगा, जैसे यहाँ पे 15 और 15 हो गए थे. इसी तरह 79 प्लस 79 158, और जब we will subtract this 158 when we shift it to the right hand side, so माइनस की साइन आ जाएगी. एज यू ऑल नो, जब एक चीज प्लस हो रही होती है, when we shift to the another side it will get the opposite sign. अगर प्लस है तो माइनस, अगर माइनस होता तो वहां जाके प्लस हो जाएगा. Now 180 minus 158 is equals to 22 degree. Okay. So in this way I will give you these two parts A and B in an homework or in an assignment. ठीक है. I think this is clear to you. If you have any question, you can ask about this question. Now moving on to the third question, which is find the value of the unknown. We have given this triangle in which we have to find the value of the unknown, and unknown is f. As you can see here we have three lines, 1 2 3. जैसे यहाँ पे ये दो लाइन्स थी मेरे पास, इसका मतलब था ये दोनों साइडें बराबर है. In this way we have three lines which shows these three sides are equal. So that means these three angles are also equal because side opposite to the angle is equal. So F, F and F. So I have written here F plus F is equals to 180 degree. Now this is 3F because F plus F 2F, 2F plus F is 3F. Now 3 and F in between they have no sign, which means they have the multiplication sign. जब मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 3F से, तो वहां 180 के पास जाके 3 क्या होगा, डिवाइड होगा, और 3 से 180 we will be cancel out and we will get the answer 60. तो F की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, 60. ठीक है. मेरी ये जो वॉइस होती है, जो ऑडियो होती है इस रिकॉर्डिंग में, यू हैव टू लिसन इट ट्वाइस टू थ्राइस. 2 से 3 बार सुनिएगा तो आपको आसानी से ये सॉल्व हो जाएगा, आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा. Now question number 5 says if the size of the angle of a triangle are 3x, 4x and 5x. So three angles are given, 3x, 4x and 5x. Find the smallest angle of a triangle. We will use the same formula like this, A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So this is 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. Now 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is 12x is equal to 180. Now after that 12 and x have in between no sign, which means they are multiplying. So when we shift 12 to the right hand side of the equals to, it will be divide. क्योंकि multiply हो रहा था तो वहाँ जाके divide हो जाएगा. अगर plus हो रहा होता तो minus हो जाता. So when we cut 12 by 180, we will get the answer 15. So this is the value of x, but we need to find the smallest angle. As you can see, here are three angles, 3x, 4x and 5x. So which is smallest in among these three? Yes, 3x is the smallest. So what we will do here, we will write 3x and 3 we will write as it is here. ये 3 था ये ऐसे लिख दिया यहाँ. And put the value of x 15 in bracket from here. Now 3 into 15 is equals to 45 degree. Okay, I think this is clear to you now. I will give you some questions regarding this topic. So you have to solve those questions. Thank you.